Are you driving an Audi and you would like to customize your navigation settings to 2D or 3D mapping, but you don't know how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to change the navigation settings in your Audi to 2D or 3D mapping. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Navigation. Click on this button to open the Settings menu. Scroll down to Map Type. You can now customize the navigation settings to your preference. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.